Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to summarize YouTube video into text without needing to play the video in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Video Summarizer. On the first list you will see the application. Just click on it. Now just click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, it will show you some instructions. You can just swipe towards the left to skip it. Now click on the start summarizing now. Now on the right bottom you will see here one icon. Just click on it. So it has directly detected my copied YouTube video link. So now you can see here the YouTube video has not yet played yet, and you can see the summary below here, the complete summary explaining about the video tutorial. And above you will see some options where you can further questions by typing here on the message, and you can chat with the application itself and access settings where you can enable the GPT, summary language, level of simplifications, summary type, font size, line spacing. So these are the options under the settings. And if you click on this icon, then you can copy the text. You can share URL, export as TXT, that is a text file, or export as PDF. And if you click on these three dot icons, you can reload summary or re-summarize, or you can view on YouTube. So these are the options you're gonna get inside this application. So by using this application named as Video Summarizer, you can easily summarize YouTube video into text without needing to play the video in Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.